Today it's very special video. It's the second time I'm gonna be showing you the papers I got from Aga Baraniak from AB Studio. Aga Baraniak designed these papers, and that's the first time I actually see them and touch them, and I can tell you they look gorgeous. But just have a look for yourself. This is a collection in Wonderland. That's the latest collection from Aga, and they are printed on both sides. Look at that. I am a big fan of turquoise color, and this with a little, I don't know, like a ancient or vintage gold. It looks beautiful. And as you can see here, there are pictures of the wire. Aga Baraniak is working a lot of with wire. Look at that. And the next paper. A little bit of architecture, a little bit of flower motifs, and then the wire. I'm sorry guys if my phone is shaking. I'm on holidays. I'm doing that in hard conditions because I don't have a tripod or anything similar to that. So I'm holding my camera in my hands. And here you go. I love die cuts on paper, and this is just amazing. So you can basically cut them out. There are tags, there are small pictures, there are some sentences. On the other side you also have a beautiful thing, beautiful, it's not a thing, it's a design. This is me and my English, always having problem with it. That's a bad one. And look at that. Wow. All these old bits and pieces, bingo, some kind of, I don't know, accounting books, postcards, stamps. Here we go. A piece of mandala of the moth, some writing. That's what I like. I really like the mess. It's not really a mess, it's a creative mess. Another one. Ah, look at the crackle effect. And this is thing written in Polish. Another piece of parts you can cut, you can fabric cut. And this is a cover. Okay, so I'm continuing. And here we have another collection from Aga Baraniak. And this collection is called Be Gentle. And of course the scrapbooking paper is 12 by 12 inches and is acid and linen free. Here you have your her shop, and she's sending worldwide, and as far as I know they are flat postage fees, which is also great. Okay, so this collection, Be Gentle, let's start. The other side of the paper, because they are also printed on both sides, is this one. Beautiful things also to cut for you. I love the moth. They are gorgeous. The numbers, I'm a fan of numbers. Well, everything I love, but there are some things I love more than the others, as everybody does. Another page, Be Gentle, with mandalas. And this is a little shabby chic. Beautiful flowers. I'm sure Aga painted them with watercolors. And another one, creativity takes courage, and that's so true. Love this saying. Oh, the violet flowers or the purple flowers, they are so gorgeous. Love the page also. I also love the script, and here it is. With some writing, see it well, let's hope. And this one with some lace. So we have a wire, I think, yes, wire or a string, and some doodling, and the lace and mandala. I have to tell you, the papers are really sturdy, and they are quite thick, and I have not worked on them yet, but Aga did, and I've seen the creations she did. I don't see any warping really. This one's beautiful also. Beautiful. And another, it's like from an address book. Look at that, for addresses only. You can cut it if you want to have a, if you want to make an address book. You can make a beautiful cover for address book, yes. And here you have pieces to cut. I have not realized before, but I have something else. And this is the collection, Vintage Elements. Again, postal cards, some pictures. A fan of this one. I actually bought a metal part like that. I'm gonna be doing something soon when I come back from holidays, I believe. Attention, amazing. Well, true. And here it says obywatel. That's a Polish word. It says citizen. It means citizen. And again, you can cut on these ones all of that. And those, the tags are beautiful as well. Yes. And here, this is also Vintage Elements, but it's vintage different way. So we have here a starry night or a starry sky. Also vintage. You can even see that the stars are actually made with the shapes of stars. And the butterflies. Who doesn't love butterflies? And the mushrooms and the leaves. And this one, another piece of well, another part of paper for to do die cuts from, to use for your creations, to make the tags. Maybe look at this floral pattern. Then you have some bugs and feathers, and of course beautiful flowers and the bird. So this is a vintage collection, or Vintage Elements. Sorry guys and everybody. I just want to show you again. My hand is shaking. Be Gentle collection and In Wonderland collection, both by AB Studio, by Aga Baraniak. And that's it from me. Wish you all a sunny day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!